Look at that! The soup alone is already a meal. You'll surely eat a lot with this delicious dish. Let's start cooking. I just added enough water to the pot, then I added some ginger and onion. I also put a bit of salt and pepper. Once the water started boiling, I added the pork ribs. After a few minutes, I skimmed off the scum from the pork. I also added 1 pork bouillon cube and whole peppercorns. These will make our nilaga flavorful and aromatic. Then I covered the pot again to tenderize the meat. After around 30 minutes, I added 1 piece of potato and 3 pieces of green chili. I also added cardaba bananas or plantains. If corn isn't available, I use bananas instead for a sweet flavor. After a few minutes, I added the pechay leaves. And there you go, our pork bone soup is finally cooked. Simple, warm, and truly delicious, perfect with steamed rice.